Join us on a fossil hunt expedition to Mleiha. What's a fossil?
Fossil is the skeleton of
Yes.
an animal that lived long time ago,
Very good.
million years ago.
The experience starts with a workshop to learn everything about fossils and make a replica of one. Then we head to the real thing, the Jebel Fire, where the fossil hunt takes place. After the insightful briefing, we were ready to go.
So if you see the same in cross view, this is how it looks. So we are going to look for these spiral patterns today. For the first time, look at that. A beautiful gastropod. See?
Oh wow!
The fossil. No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that's a fragment of fossil.
If it's a fragment, you can keep it. If it's a big piece, you can't. But this is just a little piece of a broken fossil, so I'll take it as a souvenir.
Yes. I found the big one.
See you on the hunt!